Hi, I'm Lorraine from Velocity Merchant Services. This tutorial will explain how to properly unpack, connect, and start processing credit cards with your Nurit 8400 terminal. First, locate your Nurit 8400 in the shipping package. It should be located beneath your information packet in its own box. If you received an external PIN pad device with your terminal, it is very important that you connect your PIN pad first before following the rest of this tutorial. Not connecting your PIN pad before powering up your terminal could seriously damage the machine. Connect the PIN pad to your terminal by attaching one end of the connector cable to the PIN pad port on the back of the terminal. Connect the other end into the corresponding socket on the back of the PIN pad device. Once the PIN pad is connected, or if you don't need a PIN pad to process transactions, it's time to power up your terminal. Locate the terminal's power supply. Remove the cable compartment cover. Connect the power adapter barrel into the power port on the back of the terminal. Press the power adapter cable into the cable ditch. Replace the cable compartment cover. Plug the other end into an electrical power outlet. Next, you'll need to connect your Nurit 8400 to either an analog phone line or to an Ethernet jack. If you're connecting to an analog line, connect one end of the RJ11 cable, a standard phone cord, to the line socket on the back of the terminal. Connect the other end to a standard telephone line jack. If you're connecting via Ethernet, connect one end of the Ethernet adapter or Cat5 cable to the ETH port on the back of the terminal. Connect the other end into its corresponding socket, either directly to a wall jack or to a LAN port on the back of your router. Your terminal should have come loaded with a fresh roll of paper. However, if it did not, let's briefly go over how to load paper into your terminal. First, insert 2 fingers into the recess of the paper compartment cover, beneath the release latch. Pull the opening latch up until the cover unlocks. Remove the tape strip from the new paper roll. Unroll 2 inches of paper to facilitate the loading process. Hold the paper roll with the unrolled end on the underside. Lower the paper roll into the paper compartment. Pull the unrolled end of the paper about 1 inch out of the paper compartment, ensuring that the paper feeds from the underside of the roll. Close the paper compartment cover, pressing down firmly until it snaps into place. You can now safely power up your terminal. You're now ready to start accepting and processing credit card transactions. If you've enjoyed this tutorial video, or if you have any further questions about how to properly set up your terminal, or questions about credit card processing in general, please call Velocity Merchant Services at 888-902-6227 or visit us online at getvms.com.